The thing is if you're an artist and if that's what you want to do, you really have to want it and you really have to work hard. My name is Josana Blue, and I'm a New York City artist. I created the Songbird print for Sakroots. As an artist, I work, as a painter, I feel like #1. I'm also a designer and seamstress and tailor. I also work as a stylist. A great part of my inspiration, obviously #1, comes from within myself and my heart. And then I think externally, #1 has to be music, because that's what I'm always listening to. I feel like music is just the air of life. And that, I think, tied into my print. I entered the Unleash Your Inner Artist contest. I ended up not winning the contest, but it was still really inspiring, and I loved the artist who won, and I'm actually really inspired by all the artists. It was really exciting to get a call from Sakroots to then go back and work with them. It was really just a blessing. My inspiration for Songbird print, actually a big collaboration of like nature and love. That's where it kind of came from. People always ask me, what's your favorite thing to create, when you're an artist? And to me, everything is the same. Whether I'm painting or sewing or dancing or singing, everything is the same to me. One of the things that I love and what resonated with me so much about Sakroots is the fusion of fashion and art. I am Songbird, la la la. Sing these songs with all we do.